Katho cia mwanya no ntubo kona kanyaga kuwatana batu kindeto chietu chia weru tha mwanja onibetwa wini wa kengero tukiambiriria ni ati minister wa kithomo Julius Ogamba na thiretie ndeto ira cionekete kwithirigita na mbere chiege BC ya skuru cha sekondari. Ogamba ariwa BC eta change ya buruna inyambe cha maskuru ya chio capitation inyachu ita ithira chie chenchia
indicating that the fee structure has changed. Let me take this opportunity to inform the country that the fee structure in this new education system has not changed. The fee structure remains as stipulated in the Kenya Gazette of 2015. Remember, the guidelines that we released referred to the Kenya Gazette of 2015, which stipulates the fees that is payable by all categories of our schools. So no fee has changed. The structure of the fees has not changed. The amount of capitation has also not changed. We are paying 1,500 for primary, 15,000 for junior school, and 22,240 for senior school or for secondary schools. So that fee has not changed. That was a misunderstanding of the guidelines because they did not refer to the second part of what was in that particular guideline because it referred to the Kenya Gazette of 2015, which is currently in operation. So the fee has not been changed at all. Thank you. God bless you.
Munini wa spika bungeni ya kaunti ya Meru Mwendali na ichumireti nende na kwithira kiwa kwino batu bwa Meru kwithira bakiyamu na kwithira bakibwithia kiama kimwe kirage kethira baitumira kwithira bakiwatira keki kuma kithirikari nene nkolokia wete kwino batu bwa piama biravye kaunti ya Meru kwithira bikiyamwe na kwithira bakibwithia kiama kirage kethira kegeka mathina ya mwananchi ambere.
Itu kwenda kiama kia Meru itu twina na hybrid party Mumeru kenda Mumeru omba kuthware kimethere kwa ya keki Mkenya mzegera itu wa keki siasa ati keki morano na nethero akimenya bra kuwa tutwaromba ntu betu tuibange itungani cia mabitu ina bio nonto bingi bira tu ina bio in Meru ni inira cetwa briefcase parties twina na hybrid party ira yemba kuthwa ina interest Mumeru mukario Mumeru atati kenda tumea ku negotiate.
Ni munini wa spika bungeni ya Meru Mwendali urokua kwina itumi Ameru kwithirwa bari na kiama kina inya kenda bomba kuthetera kekirire kwa yo thirikari nenene. DS Ali arua ni kimako kwithirwa Ameru bari na namba nene ya antu indi itiki nene kirabe na kyo ni kimwaki kya waziri na no ntubo aruo ke ya kwithirwa siasa bakuru siasa ne bati tayari kubwithia kiama ki boya siasa babethe baraba wikamya siasa ne bali tayari kuambiriria kiama kya Mumeru kenda bomba kuthetera Meru.
It is shameful to Meru na wingi bwetu bwantu wingi bwakura na inya vastness ya Meru ni toki maketo na kyoka waziri tubatiri kwa tuena at least itubidatu bieli tukiari rashia ito shume kwa ya kura iturome tueki dete turea Meru ture ana hybrid party ya Mumeru na turu inya baraba ambiririe siasa mbere tu edro batere ndi watu vijana tuko tayari tuambirie kiama yetu Yumdutu atongeria bai kuthai twekira Meru on board tumbe ku negotiate region inge ki negotiate tribe inge ki negotiate tumbe ku twina negotiation power nego kya tedi Mumeru
na ureti ya Meru na muno akariba yembe kuyukia kura na namba nene nonto kura ni thagare nene rekuruira keki kuma thirikari ne
kura ira Meru ina cio registered bonkatha i kura 772,100,000 lakini ke projection ya IEBC itogoro Meru no boye kura cia kinya 1.2 1.3 so imizo ringe kire antu betu baraba tena ibande muno region yetu yembe kura ira twena ni 247,000 IEBC riwa no twane kura ngirima na yana na challenge ira tweni antu betu bate koya ibande na bate koya kura so itu ibange vijana akina mama na wazee baraba tena ibande boye ibande na woya kimande ta woye kura nontukura niyo yomba kuleta change ira ina maana maisha ne yaku The region of Tigania kura shoni around 153. Projection cha ABC bakwa no bani kura 250. The immense region were almost 370. Projection cha ABC bakwa no bani kura 450. So tuashume tero Ameru tukaingeshe kura chetu tukani around 1.3. Eyo mbagwetho rais line ne muno kwirira kekire mukenya kekire kuriro ibangi.
Nikiripotera Weru Juma kumembe mbita wa Marion Karugi wanaftani.
Tugeta na mbere ni ati mubunge wa gishiko bunge Kiaronye Jez Muchangi Karembari wa mawatho yarayendekethetwe rwa nyine rwa mayani yolotete otiri ya kwithira ya kiagirithia urimi bwa kimera kibo kendo tira arimi ba kwithira bagichionera ginto gikiriki.
Mumbunge wa Runyenjen niwe Eric Muchangi Karemba ni uragwata mbaru gucenjwo kwa watho wa manjani niguo gwitikiria arimi kwiyenderia manjani mao kuri aguri aria marenda. Muchangi arauga ino igatethia iganda kugwata umithio makiria kumana na muvango uyu.
Kuja akaondoa the direct sales factory yetu ya Rukoriri ya Mungania na pia ya Katangarire. Kulikuwa na nafasi ya kuuza manjani chai yetu kwa buyers wetu ambao wako na interest na specifically majani chai ya Rukoriri kwa sababu ya quality. Sasa Waziri Munya alikuja akatupilia hiyo mbali. Akasema majani chai yote lazima iende ikauzwe wapi? Mombasa kwa auction. Alafu yeye mwenyewe akaweka bei. Ati sasa serikali ikaanza kusema bei ya majani chai lazima itakuwa hii. Lakini wale wanunuzi wa majani chai wakagoma. Majani chai yetu ikakaa huko Mombasa kwa miezi mingi sana kama haijanunuliwa.
Guko akiugaga aguri aria magaukaga kugura matigakore akugura thogora wa nthi kuri aria marendia manjani mao munandari mwenu wa Mombasa.
Alafu bei yake isiwe chini ya ile ambayo iko kwa auction ili to protect mkulima wa majani chai ambaye hako hapa. Nimweguo borosio. Alafu pia hiyo sheria ina propose hivi. Majani chai kishanunuliwa na yule mnunuzi, the buyer. Pesa ya mkulima lazima ilipwe kwa KTDA within 14 days.
Ni urarikiria kuga wona manjani mendua arimi makoragwe akulipwa mbia ciao nevenya niguo matigakore na mikovo mingi muno.
Alafu pia hiyo sheria inasema hivi, kuwe na direct settlement system kama ile iko kwa kahawa, ile ya kusema majani chai yenu ikishanunuliwa hiyo pesa isiendelee kukaa kwa bank, hiyo pesa ipatiwe mkulima. Kwa sababu gani? Na mimi naunga hiyo kwa sababu mimi pia ni mkulima wa majani chai. Kuna haja gani ya kungojea pesa ya majani chai ambayo iliuzwa Januari ulipwe Disemba?
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Kongina kuni ati atongeria nene baogima bwa mwiri kuma kaunti chionthe 47 bachemanite muchini munene jwa Nairobi kigikaro gia ntuko iyele kia omwaka ochwira ntaira mathina ya chibitari cha kaunti muno yarayethirite yarumirite motungata yarwa chibitarini i
74 public facilities, Nairobi Mombasa Highway, and spread across the largest county,
Marsabit County.
As a county, we have trained, the team is being headed by the Director Medical Services.
My brother from
Kainuk. Currently we have a very road networks. And as part of leadership and governance, we're also doing with other cadres that are
It is vast with the farthest facility from County Referral Hospital, 500 and
dispatch center.
You guys are managing with the number of ambulances that
So what we realized 3 years ago is there was a lot of progress that was happening in various counties around emergency medical care, and we thought, why not bring all these counties together to discuss their progress, their successes, their challenges, and allow for sharing between the different county governments to allow them then learn from each other. And after the first conference, it was so successful that a lot of counties learned a lot from the counties that are already succeeding in setting up the emergency healthcare services. I can tell you, as we speak today, at least over 10 counties have well-established structures around emergency healthcare services, and of course there's still a lot of work to be done.
Recently we had a very good success story of a referral that we coordinated as a EMS of a conjoined twins. They are delivered at Kilifi County Referral Hospital on Sunday through cesarean section at 36 weeks, 5 days old, with a multidisciplinary team of gynecologists, pediatric surgeon and pediatrician. And one thing
Togeta na mbere ni ati mulwamiri wa rwangi rwa KEBS Esther Ngare ariwa interview onthe birabi bwethero wa nthuruni ya Kenya na inya birabi ya kuma ome nthuru ya Kenya ibitiari bikwithira bikithimwa ibo kendo tiri intobira Kenya botumire ibya kiwango kira kibatere.
They are all tested and they go through certification on the adopted Kenyan standards or the standards which have been gazetted as Kenyan standards. So we are at the front line in terms of inspection of products, in terms of the products that are manufactured within the country, to ensure that we assure the consumers that every product within our country has been inspected and meets the required standards. And you can verify that because the products either have the standardization mark or the import standardization mark ISM, which you can as well verify as a consumer by sending SM hash, the number below that standardization mark, to 20023, and therefore you'll get a message which verifies whether that mark is valid or not. As Kenya Bureau of Standards, we are very intentional in terms of harmonizing the standards that we adopt with the international standards, because we are very aware that for us to be able to trade globally, we need the international standards. So we adopt the IEC standards, we adopt the IEC ISO standards that help our traders to be able to access the regional market as well as the global market. So we have also been doing a lot of awareness in terms of how should our traders, industries, and the users of these standards get to know about the standards. We have been doing quite a lot of awareness so that the users are able to know what standards they can then apply in their industries.
Katho cia mwanya no ntubo kwethira wetete ya mbere na kurumira ndeto cietu ceweru tha mwanje ogeta kuraitu cokirete na ndeto nkuluki.
Inya star 812 star 982 hash wekira nsambazira jasikiza tune yeku.
Samba sera gandikega namba riena siarende morie gikamanwa ina kwe ngurubu nembega ene gwa kamusie. Samba sera gandikega namba riena siarende morie gikamanwa ina ngurubu nembega ene gwa kamusie. Kega namba riena siarende morie gikamanwa ina kwe ngurubu nembega ene gwa kamusie. Samba sera gandikega namba riena siarende morie gikamanwa ina kwe ngurubu nembega ene gwa kamusie.
Inya star 812 star 982 hash wekira nsambazira jasikiza tune yeku.
Staki premium.
Hata hii premium iko sawa.
Kuna hii premium na kuna hiyo ingine original ndio nataka. Mbona hata mimi anani confuse. Nilitaka premium original na ni ya Kavagara.
Shosh, usichukue ingine kama si ya Kavagara.
Aha, hivyo ndivyo kinaumana ukikosa original premium.
Nilitaka premium original na ni ya Kavagara. Kama huna unirudishie pesa yangu. Waumbirie wajue. Premium original ni ya Kavagara na hii ya ngano.
Raha Premium Kavagara, kwa raha ya familia.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twists of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu wake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea. Moguri wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujua nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujua nice extra premium. Eja nampwe ena mushamojo mudhongi. Na ni kueta gogwe na nje ku nutrients. Na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano. Itio mainya shiarara. Ne imboro na imure mudheri. Motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watu ekawe na kioria ende kithia kanano kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
Ngako watogeni urengi na katho cia mwanya na ntuba kwithira witite ya mbere na kurumira ndeto chieto chia weru tha mwanja twichokera akaita gatene miaka kathomba ithiri muntu atetikitie murungu endu na ichie ikwari na nkoma chia bioyoyo ira chia turankurungiene mierene na irimene kuragweta wairi kaita ka twithirite nende tukimurika iri mwanya kura chiari yongwa na birabia rutawa na nyabia rutawa ibao na irirongwa vyethera bikiruto kigetunji kia bele kia riboti ya mwanyara tubanganiretwe imwandiki wetu ande Tomatini Mugambi.
Gichunche kia biere kia rugono rwetu rwa mwanya ire chietu emunde tulithungira na kumenya abura ire chiaturangaga hamu. ngono na nkinya ndeto ira ciatwire kuthiuruka hogo manto megie ire mwanya mwanya kenda kumenya umata umaire ciaturaga ogo
tutharia mbura iri mburi iri ng'ombe iri mwari wina kero ukwendwa nthaka
ngono ino ciaire itari ngono intheri
kwarineria na kwe mtu ejire abangane akwenda kuriunura mtu wa kuriunura nuntu ni ejire naye moyo akweja kena riunura acokerwe uiji wae ka acokire kuraidwa kaire ni akuru kethira no abanga bango kaire agatwika mukuru naye moyo ndi ari mtu moyo
kwina murako mwenda ici yani kogoro twaria kule irio turiete kule irio murako ka acokaga akaula agerie gucwiwa nau akaula buru riu rukirire agaukanira gatwira kabarere kwangana miburo gutemo buru batakinyaga bari jagira bekari temete guru roshero bakamatite na miti
wadi wale makuo kiwa niko kweta boria okendera ukore mone kwaria ukoingala memero rirenge ukona wadi kandi utikaombe kwaria ugane ate okwigwa kane ate tontu kwe muntu agita boria okendera muromo ukigama kwaguo tumba kwaria boria bwebu weja kugane mbio wonire
unge eja ethira mburi ndenje na ndi churie ogoko muriro athi ejae ukiamburi eu na thenja agita kuguru eno kitembele aumira kajirani kala bagendaga kimunyamwe kya umeguru kya mogita njala amwe na nyama na moyo nkinyomundi atale nyama na tenu kana njala
kuringana na korwa babariuga kuri na miriga na nkinya ntu baraba kwethura bakithiko thaitha kuromba na nkinya kuriongera ire ino
kigongwana kya mbura kitautagwa na gintu kimwe na riria kwina murimo koguo riria kwina murimo kwe ile jiarutaga mauntu ma murimo na riria kwina mbura kikire kiendekana tontu bwa kuruta kigongwana kya mbura irio jiaigwo nyomba ikerogwo jina ikuriwa ni mbia ikariwa ni ndungu kandi irio itikanangwo ni nyamutayu indira jiakerwa ni gwacoka guankado kwina igongwana irio jiaruragwa kandi irio itikadukange
antu bale athenjeri baile bakathenja mburi bagatiga bachuria antu na kwaria ma ni jiarejagwa na ikariwa wega muno na ikathira no kethira gutinya majio na nituonete nteto yu na tauko muriru turi niwe karagabu na niwe karagabu
mwanka muthenya we munthi mugongo wa Tharaka no tura kuthi kugonga na kuthaitha kibuka ragotwika kibuka na tigire kurumana
Taraga ikibuka wananyaga nio kibuka Divya chetui Tharaka yetui
bataranetie makarika mwanya mwanya mara marutagirwa igongwa na nkinya maromba mwanya mwanya enda kuthaitha na kwerekanira mugongo wao kirimirungu wira betigitie nio yumba kwithirwa ikibaraithiria kagita wa kagita
tukumunenkera igina bia nenkagirwa munyanya igina binana na itugwitigia kibuka watabura bungi akendelea kuthikiria maromba metu na twaya tutongoretwe ni ithe ituyite kinya gucokia nkatho kiri ngoma kinya cia basusu nontu bwabura bonire bwega Tharaka gutikaigwe kwina ndamu tuyite gwitia kinya mbura kibuka no akarana mbura kibuka no iragira muwe mbura na nwe mbura ya umagaga tuyite kinya kumucokeria nkatho nontu bwa mburera tuonire mwanko wathirire na itukwirigira tukona mbura imbega
tukarikana kagita kukangi kumenya bora ire ino iturangaga mwanka muthenya we munthiri ogo kana iciathirire na imbia temire ciumba kuthira kuma kagita kumwanka kagita gaka ngikuretera rugono rwa mwanya nkuma ciaire cietu kuma gicigo mbunge kia Maraha bitagwa Martin Mugambi.
Katho cia mwanya muno kiewe Martin Mugambi no tuvariboti ukiwe mutegere na kiebonde barabomba kwithira bekinyanilia ndeto chietu cheweru tha mwanja ntukierwa ringa kwendera kaita kea na ntukwenja hunibetwa wini wa Kinyero.